Have you got a 07 to 13 Toyota Tundra and have been looking for a third brake light upgrade but just haven't been happy with what's on the market currently? Introducing the all-new Morimoto X3B third brake light for your Toyota Tundra. The pronounced 3D red brake light optics are as modern as it gets, yet tasteful. Complemented by the clear optics that illuminate the bed, all wrapped inside a piano black polycarbonate housing. The Morimoto X3B could not be any easier to install. It reuses the original mounting points, fits like factory, and will plug right into the stock wiring harness. No modifications required at all for this installation. To get it installed, you're going to slightly pull back the headliner inside the cab nearest the glass. Using a trim removal tool, release the two push clips holding the headliner to the roof. This will expose two 10mm nuts that you're going to want to remove that hold the third brake light to the cab. Using the trim removal tool, carefully wedge the tool between the brake light and the cab, loosening the foam seal from the cab in the process. Once the foam seal has been fully broken, remove the brake light from the truck. Next, we're going to unplug the factory connector and remove the third brake light from the truck. Scrape off any excess foam from the truck using a plastic razor blade. If you opted for the rapid flash module, you'll simply plug it in line between the factory wiring and the X3B's wiring. Installation of the Morimoto X3B is the same process in reverse. Turn on the truck, go through all the modes to ensure proper functionality, and begin enjoying your Morimoto X3B third brake light. All Morimoto assemblies are designed to comply with all DOT SAE regulations for rear-facing lamps. We pride ourselves on offering stylish, high-performance, and safe products for serious enthusiasts, which is why all new Morimoto products are verified by trusted third-party labs for compliance. Head on over to Morimoto Lighting to get yours today.